Today we will be going over how to make an appointment with the Career Center through Navigate LA appointment system. We will start off by navigating to our Cal State LA homepage. You will go to My Cal State LA. You will select Navigate LA, which will then take you to your appointment page. In here, you will select Get Assistance. You will select the type of appointment, which will be in this case with Student Live. You will select the service. For this example, we have Career Pathway Exploration or Internship Support, and the date. Once you select Find Available Times, it will give you all the available times to meet with the Career Center. Once you select the time, it will then ask you, how would you like to meet? You could select in-person or virtual availabilities if they are available. Please enter any comments you would like to share. And select Schedule. You now have finished completing your appointment schedule. Thank you.